How to add a new font on Wix. So in order to do that, let's head over and click on the specific text first and click on this edit text option. Now in here, it will open this font option. So click on this font. And in here, just click on this upload fonts if you want to add another one. Now in here, click on this upload fonts option. And let me head over and then add a font that I have downloaded. So let's head over right here. And we have in here this Comicate. It's actually a TTF that I have downloaded from the font. Click on open right here. And then as you can see, it's awaiting upload. And once it's done uploading, you can head over and then click on this done option right here. And it should be able to reflect to the site of your choosing. So let's just wait for this right here. Now that it's downloaded or uploaded, click on done right here and then just find the Comicate on this particular list of fonts right here. So let me look for it. So you can just also refresh your site if you want it added as well. So that's how you add a new font on Wix. Hope we helped.